She's doing what she does best, and that's bird watching. There's all kinds of different birds out here. Yellow ones, green ones, black and red ones. Over. So it's been really hard. I've been in some spots where we don't have Wi-Fi or internet connectivity or cell service. So I'm doing what I can do while I can do it the best I can. But right now I'm at Coyote Creek State Park. And I'm standing at the building where I do have Wi-Fi, but I'm parked about a half mile away from here. So I'm just making a video for now to get me by, and that's the best I can do. It is really beautiful out here. If you look behind me, you can see the really wooded. There's lots of hummingbirds just buzzing around like crazy, which is really cool. And I was just sitting right here, right underneath. You can see the Wi-Fi antenna. So I'm gonna head back home, get something to eat. There's this bird just hanging out on this rock right here. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe if I flip the camera around, it should be center screen. And there's hummingbirds just buzzing all around me. Almost buzzing, bumping right into me. It's amazing how cats can get comfortable in any position. It's amazing. I brought my chair over here so I could sit in it and be by my kitty who was laying on the ground. But look what happens. Does that surprise? Does that surprise at all? So I guess I'm sitting here in the van because my baby gets everything and I spoil her. Yeah, her life's a lot shorter than mine is. Well, look at my kitty. I love my kitty. Look at you. So happy. Tonight, we are cooking a favorite presto pesto. This one's really good. It's one of my favorites. If you don't have pesto sauce, this is just like home. Have to have some fresh milk, I think. Gotta have milk. And I just happened to have some milk from a day or two ago. Awesome. Oh yeah, we're getting some color.
Dude, that's gonna
look up, huh? He's going after your coconuts.
he's good. That's a drunk monkey right there, boy.
Drunk monkey going after your coconuts.
Shit. Dude, he polished off like.
Oh, look at that. He's literally going after your coconuts.
Hey, go back, go back.
Hey, go back, go back, go back.
Uh-oh, don't make him mad. Hey, come here.
Hey, I was just doing what...
No, that's mine. Oh, shit. All right, you can have it. God damn. You little drunk.
Oh, he opened it up.
Oh, you drunk. Oh, shit. That's vodka, man. Oh, my God. We got a drunk Thai monkey.
That?
Yeah, I'm recording it.
It's a drunk monkey right there. Oh my
I had nothing to do with this.
Don't let me to see that. Go, you go now.
Hey, we gotta go home.
Go now.
Get off the boat. Come on, drunk guy.
Okay, swim, girl.
Dude. Hey, you gotta go. Come on.
You go now.
Dude.
Go now. Go on. Go on now. No. You go now. Nope.
He wants coconuts now.
I can't get in my coconut. Ah, he's eating your coconuts.
Chad, we just got a monkey drunk, man. Oh, there he goes. Whoa! Dude, that was like an 8 on the dive. And he swims underwater.
Nice. Drunk monkey.
Oh, that was crazy, dude. Dude, Craziness. Drunk monkey.
Only in Thailand.
Drink over our vodka.
I'm out of booze now.
All right, we got to go back.
Okay.
Watch this, guys. My sleepy baby. Are you sleeping? Are you just faking sleeping? Your eyes are closed, but your tail's moving. Oh, stretch. Those big paws. Is that how you're saying hi to our YouTube viewers? You're so funny.